Working in.
I got it.
On track.
I got it.
Oh, why did you do that?
Holy fuck.
Yeah, that's slippy. I'm gonna be really careful there. And this too. There's no space out wide and it's slippy inside. Yep. Yeah, boy. Ooh! Yeah!
That was pretty good.
That was sick.
I'll take it.
Too bad it didn't have a cameraman there. That would have looked really good. Oh, it's actually clear ice underneath. Look, there's a paparazzi. Yep. Oh, yep.
Yeah.
That's all right. Oh, some rock. You good? Ah, nice. Oh, yeah. Very good. Yep. Good.
Yep, my boots are getting hung up on the pedals. Oh, it's fine. It was your side, not mine.
Nice. I was gonna say careful that tire on the inside there. Yeah, boy! Whoa! Yeah, that's all right. Oh man, there's nothing left here. It's a mix of ice and grass on the ground in there now. Mint.